What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we have my friend David here, who happens to also be my coach, and today we are going to make chili. Alright, tell me where to begin.
We're going to chop the onion first.
Alright.
And a couple of cloves of garlic.
A couple of cloves of garlic as well.
Those are ready here.
Finely diced.
Yes.
How many servings will this serve?
Well, one hungry boy.
How big is the hungry boy?
A little bit more olive oil.
Okay.
There's going to be no fat in the bison. Little cuddly fellas.
Oh. Wow. So bison into chunks.
Yeah, it just makes it easier to break up, right?
Yeah.
Some very cute stuff on their Instagram. It's a good shake, isn't it? Lovely.
Salt in.
Just shake it from the bag, man. I've got left anyway.
Oh, that's a lot of pepper.
Oh well, we won't need to put any more later, really.
So why bison instead of ground beef?
Higher protein content, lower fat, so you get if you're on a calorie restricted diet.
Yeah.
Which I'm not. You get a bit more bang for your buck, if you know what I mean. You know?
Okay. So it's macro friendly.
It is. Right, add the tomato sauce.
Alright.
Lovely.
Kidney beans in next. Alright.
There you go. That'll do. How much is in there?
Don't know. That much? Oh! About what? 3 tablespoons?
Oh, I don't know, mate. I've never measured anything in this.
Alright.
Right, give that a stir bit that way.
Okay.
There you go, but not done.
Oh. It's about what? Another 3-4 tablespoons?
Goodness knows. No longer cubes. Give that a stir bit there, boy.
Alright.
Say
what?
You don't want too much, right? Just a little taste. Probably, what's it, a teaspoon maybe?
Yeah, it looks like a teaspoon.
That's the cutest little Liam parents I've ever seen. Comes in industrial sizes in the UK, you see.
Oh, do they?
There you go, lovely.
Alright.
Cheese soy sauce.
Do you want a spoon? Okay, no measurements.
There
Alright.
Lovely. Stir there. I usually leave it going for about 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like I'll put it down to maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah.
And then you can go off, you can leave it, come and stir it every 20 minutes or so.
I want to eat it. But I know the sausage is raw.
But
It's raw, come on!
it will poison you.
No skinny champions.
There are no skinny champions. Mediocre. Clifton Full. What do they do on television now? They spin the plate, don't they?
And
Yeah, good raw sausage there. Made of Mennonite.
No, that's good. Especially, I think it's the sausage that makes it really good. Because I've never had it with the sausage.
Not as a tasty chili. We've done it again.
Alright, now I say goodbye. Alright, thanks for watching. This is David. If you want coaching from him, follow Grimstrength on Instagram. You're not in the camera. Yeah, follow Grimstrength on Instagram. Go to his website and DM him. Send him an email. Send him a dick pic. Alright, see you guys. You're gonna get a lot of dick pics.
A lot of dick pics. All cabin.